UMLE ka amlarem konstituensi ubalong ru menteri berim jong katanat kampo yang jong kasor ka jela uba Lakmen Rymbui hakas sajan jong kasantare ko benai naitung aracara sau ulapan pau baka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA kalong kalat kabat Kaba Tam kabadon menta banyada ya kajeng mentoy jong kitrai muluk hapo ka jela. Habayakran bat kelat pathai kubor ba Lakmen Rymbui Ong ba kadba ka jingdawa ban pentrikam ya ka inner line permit lane ka ILP kadang yai petang ya ka MRSSA kala ban pentrikam bah hak steng por ka MRSSA kadai kalat Kaba Bha Tam ka bangidon hakane ka por banyada ya kibriu ki jongi ola penpau da ka benrab ba ka jala kadang ap ya ka jing menjur na po sentar halor ka rai jong ka ILP Kajing dawa ya baro ar ka MRSSA bat ka ILP layo ya kajing kersan ka batmai haden kajing syapanyap ka basyarkai jong unongwan jong kai perthai bana po indur o balatip ko muraja Raghuvanshi hapo sora ya ka balay keno baula syapanyap ha ka kti jong ka tengah jongu bat ke perlo ki jong ka Kajing ja ka basngosi kala penmi biang ya kajing saukhya jong ki pajba halor kajing mantui ki barjela klem da tela kam bat kajing don kam ya ki lat penyat ki ba kham khlan Kumbansu penkan mau bakayeng dorbar tawan ke jala Meghalaya hakis nam mensua kala menjur halor ke resolution ka bakentu ya ke sarkar perang ban peniar ya ke jing sensar ke ILP hapo ke jala Meghalaya Henry nadu kate ke por kate ke jingkerpat kala syu sakut.
Okay. Yeah. So the ILP is still pending. The government is mooting for MRSSA. Even the public is mooting for MRSSA. So do you think that MRSSA is a better bargain?
See, this is a different tools which to safeguard the interests of the people of the state. In the larger interest, all the stakeholders from the citizen of the state to the legislature, they have appealed. Not only appeal, they have the state assembly have passed a resolution that to convince the central government to implement the ILP in the state of Meghalaya, which is still pending in the court of the central government. So, but in the meantime, MRSSA, yes, the amendment is still stuck with some nitty-gritty. But having said that, I'm very glad that the government is trying to implement it, and for the time being, this is the best for our state, so that the people should know. And when the people from outside the state, whenever they come, should know that there are some authority which control them, what they are doing to do, and what they will do.